Hello coders, welcome back to my channel LazyCoder. Today we will see travel management system project. In this project I have developed multiple features like tours, destinations, AI planner is also there where according to your budget you can plan your trips. There will be three roles like agent would be there, customer would be there, and admin would be there. Like agent can earn money by planning any trips and bring all the peoples to any particular destinations, right? So that they can sign up and plan the trip. And if people will try to if the people will book their trips, then they can earn. Okay, and admin can see the customers. Okay, multiple features are there. We will see all of this one by one. Okay, and in this project you will also get project report. If you see the project report, it have all the diagrams, like how diagrams works, like to destination would be there, users, how users can give the review. Okay, and if you see the class diagrams, like all the diagrams how they are related to each other, like DFT diagrams are there, like complete system is there, like what customer can do, like tours and search, booking and payments, right? Review, they can give the review and ratings. So all those things are properly documented. All the sequence diagram is there. So once you will get the project, you will get both source code and the report file. Okay, so this is my before going to the project, this is my channel LazyCoder, and if you search the LazyCoder on the YouTube, you will get this channel. Okay, so thank you so much guys for subscribing. Now we are now 18,000. Okay, so please subscribe it so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Recently I have uploaded the bank management system, library management system, okay, car rental system, hospital, like multiple projects are there. Just you can just go to the system and download it, like go to the channel and download it. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so if you want any custom project, then you can also comment out. I will try to provide it. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go to the travel management system project. So this is the home page. Okay, from here, where you want to go, you can search it, and what are the types, right? Whether you want to go to adventurous place or beach place, right? Cultural, honeymoon trip. Okay, so you can just search it and it will show all the destinations, right? So if I click on the adventure, it will show me the adventure place only. If I click on the beach, it will show me the beach places only, right? Okay, so this is about the home page. If we go to the tours, you can just let me go to the tours, and you can just search all the places wherever you want to go. Suppose if I want to go to this Maldives one. Okay, so let's click on this. Okay, so it will show all the places, admin will have the functionality to select any other image also. Okay, so upload all the image. What are the itinerary will be there, like day one, arrival in the Maldives, adventurous day, explore Maldives with full day of adventure, day trip, free times to relax, like all those things can be added by the admin. What's included, right? What not included, optional activities, travel insurance. So all those things can be added by the admin and customer can see, and then they can book it, where you will stay, right? So all the hotel details also, not only just the place, it will show you the whole food and where you will stay. Okay, emergency contact number, these are the just dummy data that I have inserted, like the traveler reviews. Okay, so that can be also be seen by a person. Currently if you go to the AI planner. Okay, so this is about the tours. Okay, if you select any package, then you can see these information. But AI trip planner, what does it mean? That in this no API key would be needed, so that it will be 100% offline AI, right? When you integrate any LLM models, then API key is needed, right? So what will happen, it creates an extra burden. So what I have did, I have used some Python libraries to make it. So according to your budget, it will try to show you. Suppose this is my budget and day is 6 and traveler is 2, so it will, based on your input, it will generate thing and show you the some trips. So you can see that it's showing me the this active trips. Okay, so what will happen, like if we will click on this, okay, and then we can like see all those details again, like what are the will be the itinerary, and like where you will stay, food and all, and then they can book it. Okay, so I will show you like how they can book it. If we go to the about us, then you can see all the about us, contact us page is there currently. If you go here, so I have already logged in as a admin, right? So we can go to the admin dashboard, or we can log out. So let me show you the logout. Okay, so when you log out, what it is showing currently, it's showing login and sign up. Okay, so when you click on the sign up, what does it mean? That like travel agent and the customer can sign up. Okay, they provide the first name, last name, and who they are, like whether they are traveler can book a tours and trips, and travel agents, like suppose you are travel agents. Okay, so you can also sign up, but admin account would be created by that super user command only. And but these accounts can be like controlled by the admin, so that they cannot just create and try to spam it, right? Okay, so I have already created the account of the like both customer and agent. Okay, so for now I will just go to the like admin and show you what all features are there. Okay, so if you see, when I logged in, this is the admin dashboard, from where like admin can see like how many customers are registered, how many agents are registered, what are the total destinations, total reviews given by the like customer, right? How many how much revenue admin has made, right? So how many total bookings, users, tours, revenue by the like monthly wise, you can see the status, right? Tooltip is showing that on the in July how much you have earned, right? So top destination, right? Rome is the top destination, right? In which month sales got increased or booking got increased, right? So you can see all the proper recent bookings, right? Top agents by revenue, all those things in a proper way you can see. Okay, so this is about the dashboard. If we go to the bookings, like from here, like you can see all those bookings made by the customer, and then they can manage it, like whether they can cancel it or update it, right? So if you go here, like these are the just dummy data. Okay, so customer, this one, okay, tour package, this is basically a tour package when they have checked in, how much amount they have paid. Okay, so if we like if you want to like confirmed payment, so you can like admin can will have the full control over the system, right? So they can like update it, the status. If we go to the tools, okay, like admin will have the powers to add the tools also. Okay, then they can block it. Okay, if we click on this, what will happen, that it will be not shown to this any viewers. Okay, suppose some agents have posted the tours, right, but admin is not satisfied, right? So what they will do, they will just mark this as a inactive, so that they can like customers will not be able to see this. Okay, so this is about like the tours management. And if we go to the destinations, so the destination currently you can see Bali is there, Cairo is there. So suppose if I click on it, it will show you like they can like edit it. Okay, so if we click on the edit, admin can change the country name, short description, like prices, range. So this much they can update, and admin will have the power to add the destinations also with these forms. Okay, if we go to the reviews, okay, so from here like admin can see all the reviews given by the customer. Admin will have the right to edit that reviews, or you can say the delete it also. Okay, here you can see that total reviews given by the customer is 110, right? And 4.37 is the average rating. So you can see that amazing, well planned itinerary, no hidden cost was there, loved it, right? But suppose someone has given a spam review, right? So they can like mark it as a like hide it, okay, from the customer. Okay, or you can delete it. I know that this much is like required to show the current show the correct reviews, right? Okay, so users is there, like what does it mean? That all the users like agent or the customer can be seen from here. And if we click on this pause button, what will happen, like that particular traveler or agent can't log in, okay, to their system. So this much power I have that to the admin. Okay, so django admin is there, like profile section is there, which from where they can like change their passwords and all. Okay, so name and all. So this is about like the admin functionality. If we go to the, now I will try to log in as a traveler. Okay, and then okay, and then I will show you the what agent can do. Okay, so I have logged in as a customer. So you can see the beautiful dashboard is showing for the customer, right? Like this much is like this is your next adventurous trip, right? And this is the like agent from which you have booked it, right? And 8 trips you have booked, 2 is completed, 0 is whitelisted. Your trip timeline, right? With like this is the like pending one, and this is the completed, right? Confirmed. All those the things is showing on your dashboard only, okay, right? And if we go to the my bookings, you can see like this is pending. Why it is pending? Because you have not paid it. So suppose if I click on the pay, it will show you just a dummy payment page, and from here just click on this payment page, and it will be just confirmed. Okay, so you can see that it's a payment successful and it's confirmed. Like from here, like you can download the receipt, like how many guests are there, what will be the check-in date, how much you paid. So it's showing you the paid, right? So this is about like the you from here, like you can download or print it, the receipts. So again, if you go to the dashboard, you can see all those things. Okay, so let me go. Like from here you can mark any like destination as a wish list or trip also. And from here, like you can browse any tours. Okay, same things, the like the tours page, it will redirects you to the tours page only. Okay, and so actually we are reusing this page, so that we do not have to create the same page again and again for all the profiles, right? So this is about the reusing. If we go to the dashboard again, and if we see here, like AI trip planner is there, right? So the same thing, like it will if we go here, it will redirect you to the same page, this one, AI planner. So no API key is needed, so same thing is there. Okay, like extra features is there for the customer, that they can plan it, they can see on the single page all those information. So this is about like the customers. Like more features would be there for so suppose if I go one more thing, if we go to the my bookings again, and if we click on it, okay, so this is like explore mode. Like from here you can explore modes, and yeah, this is about like the customers. And so let's log in as a agent now. So like what agent can do, okay, so that will be main things. So here AI option is also there, right? Like best widget, if we click on the best widget, it's showing you all the information. Like you do not have to log in to see all those things, how to book. So it will show you like all the steps. So you can ask any questions also, but it will be, of course it will be limited, because it's not connected to that LLM model, that cloud LLM model. It's in I'm basically using the Python library with the basic natural language processing codes. Okay, so let's log in as a agent now. Okay, so you can see that I have logged in as a agent, and on the agent dashboard, it's different from the it's different from that users or admin, right? and on the dashboard it's showing you the like total earnings, like how many bookings they have made, how many active tours for this agent only, not for the other agents. Average rating given by the customer to this agent is 4.3, earning trade in this much, bookings per month, like recent customers, top bookings by tour, right? Like you can give the any names like best of Maldives, Bali, Swiss, right? All those things in a chart, right? My tours, if we go to the my tours, like you can see all those tours details, right? And whether you can and delete it, edit it, like all the cloud application you can do. And if we click on the add tours, so it will redirect you to this add new tour only. Okay, so if we click here, like it will show all those details like titles, category and destination, right? First you need to have a destination, okay, which will be added by the admin only, not by the agent. And all those covering image, right? Itinerary you can add, whether it's visually active or not, right? Featured on the home page or not, so that things can be added by like agent. Okay, so that admin will not have to enter it. Okay, so if we go to the bookings, from the bookings in this agent can see all those information like who booked it, right? Whether it's paid or not. Okay, so they can see the receipt or not, receipt also. Okay, and details, all those details can be seen here, like which tours they have booked. Okay, if we see here, like one guest will be there, right? And when they have paid it, so that can all the details can be seen by the agent. So if we go to the like who booked it, so this is the new functionality in which in which like customer agent can see the all the details in a detailed manner, not only in a just a basic information. Okay, so this is about like who booked it. And if we go to the add new tour, it's the same thing like adding the new tours. It's just for the simplicity, I have added into the sidebars. So profile section is also there, where from here like they can update the profiles, like a name, what are the company names, okay, and what will be the image name, URL. Okay, so like this is about the agent, travel agent. Okay, so yeah, this is about this travel agent, you can say the travel agent system or the tour management system project. And so if you want this project, you can just check the like descriptions. And you can also go to my channel so to explore more other projects. And please subscribe to my channel so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Thank you so much guys for watching.